In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana and save your view. If your project feels cluttered with finished work, this quick cleanup will help you focus on what's still in progress. We'll walk through opening the right project, adjusting the view to hide completed items, saving that layout so it sticks, and doing a quick check to confirm everything looks right. First, open the Asana project or task list you want to clean up. This might be any team project or your personal My Tasks list. Make sure you're actually inside the specific project or list where you want the change to apply. View settings are scoped to the place you're looking at. Next, switch to the task view where completed tasks are currently visible. In list view, completed items often appear grayed out or grouped under a completed section. In board view, they may sit inside columns alongside active cards. The goal is to see those completed items before we hide them so you can confirm the change afterward. Now, open the filter or view options. Look near the top right of the screen for a control labeled Filter, View, or Customize, depending on your Asana layout. In board view, you might also find options in the three-dot menu for a column. These controls let you refine what appears on the screen. Choose to show only incomplete tasks or hide completed tasks. In many layouts, you'll find a completion filter. Set it to incomplete. In others, there's a simple toggle to hide completed tasks. If you're in board view and see per column options, apply the setting so completed cards are hidden across the board. If you want Asana to remember this clean layout, save the view. Look for Save View, Save Layout as default, or a Save option in the view bar. Depending on your permissions, you may see choices like Save for me or Save for everyone. Saving keeps the filter active the next time you or your team open the project. Finally, give the project a quick scan to make sure completed tasks are no longer visible. Check each section or column to confirm only active work remains. If something still looks off, reopen the filter and verify it's set to show only incomplete items. That's it. You've cleaned up your Asana view without deleting anything, and you can always bring completed tasks back by reversing the filter. Enjoy the clearer focus on what needs your attention now.